Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the currency conversion setting. For that, come up to the side menu, click on Settings, and under the Organization and Department section, click on Currency Conversion. You are landed to a screen here where a currency exchange rate allows user to set the basic currency and select a target currency. Automatically display on the conversion rate in the designated field here. You are going to select the currency, base currency from here, from this drop down, and that once it is set, the budget, the invoices are going to set from this base currency. And the rate of respect to this base currency can be targeted to a specific currency, and then it is going to show up here. Click on add. The amount, the currency is added, and you can mention the rate here which you wish to put for the specific currency rate, and then you can mention the targeted currency that you wish to have it converted into. Click on save to have it enabled, and you can just click on the cross icon to remove it, and you can click on this pop-up icon yes to have it removed from your organization completely. So this was all about the currency conversion. Thank you.